So every year, every new year, while everybody else is getting drunk, doing some New Year's resolution,
Okay.
I'm writing it down. And I'm writing it down into bite sizes.
Okay.
Hindi ko ginawang 20. Mahirap yun eh. Sabi ko, I would like to earn this much. Habang nagtatrabaho ako as a nurse dito, believe it or not, every day pumunta ako dun sa HR. Kasi humihingi ako ng extra 500 dirhams.
Okay.
Just parang may breathing room lang ako kasi yung
Sobrang
3,500
tight.
ko na sweldo, sobrang tight. Lahat binibilang na eh.
Yes.
Pag
yes.
bumili kami ng pagkain, hindi kami makakapunta ng mall. If ever pumunta kami ng mall, dapat hati lang yung burger kasi masyado nang mahirap. So, ang ginawa namin, kumakain
Taza.
kami sa Wazone. Wazone na kami kumakain. Tapos bumibili kami doon ng 5 dirham na ulam tapos yun lang. So it was very tight. Ang tasa dati na sabi ni Direct Mike,